welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm putting Giant Orbeez and regular Orbeez inside the water bomb.
Excellent idea, and look at the size difference. I know we've used the giant ones and the mini ones before, but we have never put giant ones inside water bombs before. Go on then, get them going.
Inside these?
Yeah, put them inside there. I've got a feeling this might take a while.
We've got some Giant Orbeez inside the water balloon.
Managed to get 5 in there, haven't we, darling? Just see them there. So we'll pop that in the bowl, and then we will make a start on the other water balloon. And there we have the other balloon done and ready, don't we, William?
Yep.
Do you want?
Last one to go.
It is the last one to go, and we're going to put mini Orbeez in there. You're going to put that in there for it to set, and then just so you can see the difference, we've also got just a normal large Orbeez in a glass of water.
That one's gone quite big already.
It has gone quite big already, hasn't it?
Yeah.
They look like brains to start off with from memory.
Yeah, even with the little ones as well.
No, the little ones stay round so far, but we'll pop those in the balloon now, and then we'll be ready. And there we have the last water balloon full of the normal sized Orbeez. You're going to put that in the separate bowl, darling. There we go, and then we can keep them apart. So we've got 2 balloons there with Giant Orbeez, and we've got 1 balloon there with the mini ones. Look at the size difference.
We've still got some little Orbeez in here.
We have still got some little Orbeez in there. They wouldn't actually fit in the water bomb without them spilling everywhere when I put the water in. So we have got some left over. I'll put those back in the packet and they can go on another vlog. So, everybody, see you in 24 hours.
See you in 24 hours when these are grown up.
So it's about 16 hours since we put the Orbeez, the Giant Orbeez, inside the water bombs, and look how big they've got. They're massive. They're almost as big inside the water bombs as the water bombs themselves. Look at those. And just to give an idea of scale, we did set a water bomb here. So each Orbeez, we did set 5 of these sized Orbeez inside each of those water bombs, and for comparison we put some normal sized Orbeez in this one, so you can see those floating around in there as well, looking all lovely yummy. And again, for comparison, just so that you can see, we put an orange one to set, and look at the size difference of those two. There's a huge size difference. One's marble size, one's like a plum. Marble size, plum. Right, well, it's just about 10 o'clock in the morning. William will be home at about 4 o'clock, and then we can go about popping the balloons. Yay! And so you're back from school, and what have you got there?
New Nerf dolls.
A new Nerf doll. That's amazing. So what are you going to do?
Red ones and blue ones. But now it's time to smash these because now they're fully grown.
Brilliant idea. And how big are they? Because you had the testing little Orbeez there in the glass, didn't you? So how big have they got?
They've got normal size.
They've got enormous, haven't they?
And then the giant one. Look at that.
Wow, that's huge. Brilliant. Let's go string them up.
Yeah. Now we've got them strung up. These are the big Orbeez. These are the little Orbeez. These are the big Orbeez. What I'm going to do with the new ones, these ones are the spiky ones, as you can see.
No, not spiky Nerf darts, just normal Nerf darts.
Because I don't want to damage them, because they're new.
Excellent.
We're going to try and pop these with regular Nerf darts, and I'm going to stand quite close so it pops.
Go on then, do it, but not too close. Are you a bit too close, do we think? So, as the Nerf darts don't work, it is time for the air rifle. Go on then, William, shoot. Don't wave it around. Excellent, well done. Oh, excellent, well done.
That's gonna be oh. Oh, damn, absolutely. Look at that. That's epic, man.
Wow, so that's all 3 balloons popped. Now don't worry, we do clean up as much mess as we possibly can. But look at all those Orbeez in the grass. Amazing. And what do you say, William?
Hit that like button and subscribe button.
Ah, my feet! Getting my feet! Look at the state of my tabletop.